Hello everyone and welcome to Galore. Today I'll be showing you a new preset called ASHY. This one is focused on gray tones and almost all of the other colors are toned down. It's a free preset for Lightroom mobile, so you can download it right from your phone. The file is protected with a password, so to get it you'll need to watch the whole video till the end. There will be 4 numbers appearing in the right upper corner, right here. You'll find the download link in the description below. Just click on it, enter the password, and enjoy. If you want to get new free presets from me every week, please like and subscribe so that I see and know that you enjoy those. Also, feel free to leave your requests or questions in the comments below. And let's get started. Please remember that presets won't always fit every photo, so you might want to adjust your pictures when it's needed. For example, if you have a lot of black colors and objects in your pictures, with this particular preset you want to adjust blacks and shadows to get rid of grain and noise and to get the best results.